Hello, friends. The tips I'm sharing come directly from technicians who have years of experience repairing appliances like this, so don't worry, we're going to fix it. When a client comes into the shop with a Rheem showing error 58, the first thing we explain is that this code indicates a problem with the gas flow. Technicians often describe it as if the unit is saying, "I'm not getting gas properly, better stop for safety." One client told us the heater suddenly stopped working and the error 58 light started blinking, which is very typical for these units. On the other hand, many clients notice that sometimes the cause is simply a partially closed or obstructed gas line. One said, "I checked the main valve, it was slightly closed, I opened it fully, and the heater turned on without any issues." Technicians always recommend checking that the gas supply is stable first before inspecting other parts, because even a small restriction can trigger the error. Additionally, several clients discover that the gas pressure sensor or the control valve may be malfunctioning. A client explained, "After several tests, the technician told me the control valve was defective. Once we replaced it, everything worked normally again." This makes sense because if the sensor or valve doesn't detect proper gas flow, the system interprets it as a risk and shuts down automatically. Meanwhile, other clients mentioned that a dirty or clogged gas regulator can cause insufficient pressure. One said, "I cleaned the regulator and the error disappeared temporarily." Technicians know that even tiny particles can affect gas flow and trigger error 58, which is why we always check and clean regulators when this code appears. Similarly, buildup of dirt or moisture in the burners can make the unit show error 58. A client told us, "I cleaned the burners and the error light went away." This happens because dirty burners interfere with proper combustion and the unit shuts off to prevent safety hazards. Finally, some clients have found that blocked venting or a malfunctioning fan can indirectly affect gas pressure. One said, "I made sure the vent was clear and the fan working and the error went away." Technicians explain that proper airflow is essential for the system to detect correct combustion and avoid triggering error 58 for safety reasons.